Hi, you're in Vitaly's Corner. Like, subscribe, feel free to do whatever you like. Here is one big question. What could Bitcoin be worth in the year 2028? Let's break it down using real data, popular math models, and simple logic. Bitcoin isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's the first and still the most trusted. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. It's a fixed supply, and that's part of that makes it so valuable. No one can print more like government do with money. Now, where it gets interesting. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through something called a halving. This means the number of new Bitcoins being created is cut in half. It happens in 2012, 2016, 2020 and again in 2024. The next will be happening in 2028. This makes Bitcoin more scarce. And historically, the price goes up after each halving. One of the best known models to predict Bitcoin price is the stock-to-flow model. It compares the total number of Bitcoins already mined to how fast new ones are created. According to this model, by 2028, Bitcoin could be worth anywhere from $300,000 to $1 million. Now let's look at second model, the logarithmic regression curve. This one is a bit more careful. It looks at Bitcoin growth over the past 10 plus years and sees how the price increases slowly over time. Based on that math, Bitcoin could be around $120,000 to $250,000 in 2028. There's more. Many experts also use an adoption curve model. It's like the way the internet grew in the 90s. At first, few people used it, then millions joined. Bitcoin is growing the same way, as more countries, companies and investors start using it. This model suggests a range of $100,000 to $200,000 by 2028. Let's not forget fact on the ground. Over 9.5 million Bitcoins have already been mined. That's more than 93% of all that will be exist. Big companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy and even some countries like El Salvador now hold Bitcoin as a reserve. Big banks like Fidelity and BlackRock have also entered the Bitcoin space. So, putting it all together, most models suggest a realistic price range for Bitcoin in 2028 could be between $150,000 and $400,000 depending on adoption regulation and market cycles. Will it happen exactly like that? No one knows for sure. But if the patterns continues, and if people keep using the believing in Bitcoin, the number says it could do much higher. Bitcoin isn't just digital money. It's long-term idea, and its future still unfolding. Buy or not to buy? That is the question. Decide it by yourself. Thank you and wish you all the best.